Welcome to the brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in sterling gray metallic. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Silverado, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, shifter can be found here in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Silverado, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Moving on, we have gloss black door handles, gloss black mirror caps, Z71 badges on the fenders, Duramax badges on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, black Chevrolet bow tie in the center of the grille, Z71 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, Trail Boss logos on both sides of the box. At the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, twin chrome tipped exhaust, towing packages installed. Silverado, black Chevrolet bowtie, and LT badging can all be found here on the Multi-Flex tailgate. Heading back inside the Silverado, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have 2 cup holders and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.